Okay, last week we discussed about basically internet and its services and also how to search using a web browser. So can you remember the difference between web browser and search engine?
Yes, sir.
Yes, what is that? What is the basic difference? Web browser and search engine. Yes. What is web browser? Why we use web browser? Yes. What is web browser and why we use web browser?
For
So what is search engine? What's the difference between search engine and web browser? Yes? Yes. Come on, you can tell it. We have learned this more than 3 times, Pute. What is the difference? Okay, single again. What is the difference between web browser and search engine? Search engine web browser
search engine used to search web browsers and web browsers.
Or search engine, we search websites, right? Okay, search engines we use to search website. So then web browser?
Web browser is collection of web pages.
Web browser is?
Collection of web pages.
Is it collection of web pages? How come it is? Web browser is a software. It's not
web browser is used to access websites and
yes, web browser is used to access the websites. නේද? Website access කරන අපිට කැමති website එකකට යන්න හරි ඒක collection එකක් නෙවෙයි ඈ. අපි කැමති website එකක් access කරන්න අපි web browser කියන software එක පාවිච්චි කරනවා. We are using the web browser software to access the web pages that we like or that we wish to visit. So that is a software. Web browser is a software which we use to access the websites, right? This is actually, so 4th or 5th time I'm telling this. So then search engine is it's a website, but it is a special website. Why? Search engine is used to search other web pages. So that's the difference. So I said I have given examples even, right? So I think you can remember that. So if not, that is really bad, right? You have to go through this and understand. I have given the examples even, right? Google, so for an example, Google Chrome is a web browser. Google.com is a search engine. These are the web browsers. Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, Google Chrome, Opera, Safari, Chromium, Tor. These are web browsers. Web browsers are used to access web pages. What are the examples for search engines then? So search engine examples? Yes.
Google.com, Google.com, Opera, Safari,
Google.com, Bing.com, DuckDuckGo, yes, DuckDuckGo, Opera, Google.com, DuckDuckGo, Bing.com, Answers.com.
Yahoo.com.
Sorry?
Yahoo.com.
Yahoo.com, yes, those are search engines. Okay, so let's proceed. Sorry?
Internet Explorer.
Internet Explorer, is it a search engine?
Sir, did you give anything to write?
No. Internet Explorer is a search engine. Search engine එකද Internet Explorer කියන්නේ?
No, sir.
No,
sir. Browser.
It's a web browser, right? Browser එකයි ඔය ආයෙත් පටලවා ගන්න. මම මුලින් ඉඳන්ම කියලා ඔක්කොම කියලා level වල අන්තිමටම කියනකොට ආයෙත් ඔයාලා කියනවා web browser එකක නමක් search engine එකක් විදිහට. ඒ දෙකක් හරි ඔයාලට මම කිව්වා ලොකුවට ලියලා ඔක මතකෙ නැත්නම් බිත්තිය ගහ ගන්න කියලා. web browser එකක් කියලා කියන්නේ website access කරන software එකක්. website වලට යන්න තියෙන software එකක් සිංහලෙන්ම කිව්වොත්. ඒවා තමයි web browsers කියලා කියන්නේ. search engine කියලා කියන්නේ website හොයන්න තියෙන තවත් website එකක්. search engine කියනකොට මොළොට තියාගන්න search engine search කරන්න තියෙන website එකක්. web browser කියන්නේ search කරන්න නෙවෙයි website access කරන්න තියෙන software එකක්. Okay, so I think we resolved the problem. So now let's go to the today's lesson. We are going to learn about search engines and especially about Google search engine today. So you can just write down search engines. So you said many examples. Examples are google.com, bing.com, yahoo.com, answers.com. Those are search engines, right? DuckDuckGo. Those are search engines. Out of these search engines, we are going to learn about Google search engine today. Google.com search engine. So that's what we are going to learn today. Okay, so then under google.com search engine, so please write down. So we have different, actually this search engine has different applications, different web applications to search different things. To search web pages and files. To that we are using http://www.google.com or http://www.google.lk. Right? So this is what we are using for accessing to search web pages and to search files. To search images. So we use http://images.google.com. That is for search images. To search videos. So what is the website? What is the link? Actually URL. Search videos.
http://videos.google.com.
Video.google.com, right? It's not videos. Video.google.com. Then to search news.
http://news.com, news.google.com.
Correct.
News.google.com.
Okay. To search location in the map. To search a location in the map. Yes.
http
Maps.google.com. Okay, please write all these things here.
google.com.
Yes, these are the different search facilities that Google provides. These are only some, right? There are many other searches, but I have mentioned only the most required services: video, images, news, locations, and pages and files. This is what we search normally in the internet, in the websites. So please write down this. The highlighted one, please write down quickly and let me know once you're done, right? Let me know once you're done. So then let's go to our book. After writing, let's go to our book and see how they have given the search in strings. So different search methods or tips and tricks. Search in tips. So next subheading you can write search in tips in Google. So what are the searching tips we can apply in google.com? So that's what we are going to learn now. Okay, to see that, let's go and analyze your book. Finished writing or still doing?
Still doing, sir. Finish, sir.
Some are still doing, right? Okay, I'll give you 1 minute. So please finish it quickly. Give you 1 minute.
Can you go up a bit?
So we have not written anything before. Right, only about the search engines. That's the only thing we wrote. Okay. Right. Okay, let's proceed to the book and see what's there. Right. In the book, we learn about the different icons, different shortcuts, and here this is how to use search engines, and under that, so these are some search engines: Google, Yahoo, Bing, and under that, the first thing that we are going to learn is, so when you want to search something, you have to go to the search box and type the keywords. So that is the usual method. So the common word you can skip, like in, or, the. So these words you can skip. So, but you have to write the keywords, the main words, right? History Sri Lanka, you can, that is enough, because history of Sri Lanka is not much necessary. If you write history space Sri Lanka, so that's enough, right? So you don't want to type, I need the history of Sri Lanka. Instead of that, you can just type history and Sri Lanka. So that will give you the results. So main words is enough to give the results. But if you want to find out expression or sentence, then you have to use inverted commas. Right? For an example, okay, so this is what. So if I search Dasun Nilanjana, right? You can see the names given. So it's given, my name is given, and so here continuous one name, like this is what it's it has given. So you can see 8,470 results in Google. 8,470 results. That means like large number of pages. Closer to 8,470. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to use inverted commas. I'm going to use inverted commas. Then you can see it has narrowed down to 5,200. Initially it was 8,000, but Dasun and Nilanjana together, you have only 5,200. Understood how, why we are using inverted commas? Inverted commas වලින් කියන්නේ දෙකම. ඒ දෙකම එක ළඟ තියෙන ඒවා. ඒ දෙකම එක ළඟ තියෙන එක දිගට තියෙන ඒවා තියෙන්නේ 5200. හැබැයි අපි සර්ච් කරොත් වෙන වෙනම එහෙම නැත්නම් වචන දෙකක් විදිහට සර්ච් කරොත් ඉන්වර්ටඩ් කමා නැතුව එතකොට වෙන වෙනම තියෙන ඒවාත් එක්ක තමයි රිසල්ට් එක එන්නේ. එතකොට එනවා 8000 ගණන් 3000 ගණක් වැඩි වෙනවා. 3270ක් වැඩි වෙනවා. Did you understand?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's say I want to search history and Sri Lanka. You can see the results, history Sri Lanka. Okay, how many pages? So it's not saying number of pages. It's giving some results. You can see 10 is there. Okay, you can see. So this number of results, history, Sri Lanka. So this is like 670 million. 670 million results. So that is like very, very, very large number, 670 million. But I need exactly the same word in history of Sri Lanka. History of Sri Lanka. I just need the same thing, same word in history of Sri Lanka. So then you can see it's narrowed down to 2 million, 2.5 million. So it was like how, so you can see how it was narrowed down, right? Initially we had 670 million. Million 670. ඒ තිබ්බ එක දැන් තියෙන්නේ 2.5 million විතරයි. 2.5 million. And also I need the history of Sri Lanka plus Rajasinghe. Rajasinghe කියන රජතුමා සහිත history of Sri Lanka. Then you can see still now ඊටත් එළිය අඩුයි. දැන් ඉස්සලටත් එළිය අඩුයි. It is 10,000. අර 2 million එක බැස්සා 10,000 වලට. නැත්නම් history of Sri Lanka මට ඕන අනුරාධපුරත් තියෙන. අනුරාධපුර ගැන තියෙන history of Sri Lanka. එතකොට 270,000 results. ඒතර අපිට ඕන පුළුවන් තරම් අර හොයන එකම හොයා ගන්නනේ. මිලියන ගාණක් result ආවම can we see all the results? Can you see 670 million results? No, it's not possible. We need to narrow down this. Okay, how many pages you are going to look at? Are you going to look at the second page, third page, 10th page, 100th page? Normally not, right? You will look at the first page or second page, right? So that is how usually people search. පළවෙනි පිටුවේ දෙවෙනි පිටුවේ විතරයි බලන්නේ. ගොඩාක් පිටු මෙහෙම ගිහිල්ලා මේ 2 3 4 ඒ ඔක්කොම බලන්නේ නැහැ. 10 වෙනි පිටුව, 11 වෙනි පිටුව, 100 වෙනි පිටුව එහෙම බලන්නේ නැහැ. මිනිස්සු බලන්නේ මේ පළවෙනි පිටුව විතරයි ගොඩක් වෙලාවට. එහෙනම් අපිට පුළුවන් තරම් මේක narrow down කරගන්න. Right, okay. History of Sri Lanka plus Anuradhapura means if you need to find history of Sri Lanka and Anuradhapura both, right? History of Sri Lanka and Anuradhapura both, then you can write like this. So for an example, if you write, okay, Dasun Nilanjana, ICT results only. Dasun Nilanjana, okay, Dasun Nilanjana කියන කෙනාගේ ICT සම්බන්ධව විතරයි. Then you can see it's 5,170. So that is about ICT. And ICT plus grade 6 only. ICT plus only grade 6. You can see 686. Sorry, 868. Sorry, 868. About Dasun Nilanjana ICT grade 6. Only around 800 results. So on are only 3 pages. Right? So likewise you can narrow down, further narrow down. එතකොට පුළුවන් තරම් අඩු කර ගන්නකොට අපිට ලේසි අපිට හොයන එකම හොයා ගන්න පුළුවන්. So then the plus is used to add new words, right? So it's given in your book also, Pute. Here, if you want to find some words, you can use plus. When you want to search more than one word, use plus. Right? You don't want to use unnecessary word. Names of museums in Oxford. So you can just write Oxford museums. So that is simple. Names of museums in Oxford. No need to write that much. But you can just write Oxford museums. And better to use short words and also the keywords. This high valuable words need to be used. High emphasize valuable words. Okay, then also if you need more than one word, you can use plus. Actually, if you don't want any word, you don't want something in Sinhala. So you need Dasun Nilanjana, ICT, grade 6, but Sinhala කියලා තියෙන්නේ ඕනේ minus Sinhala. So then only 86 results. In Dasun Nilanjana, ICT, grade 6, හැබැයි Sinhala කියලා තියෙනේම එපා. English එක විතරයි ඕන. The grade 6 කියන ඒවා මම අයින් කරනවා සිංහල කියන word එක minus Sinhala. Then you will get English or some other results other than this Sinhala word. So likewise, you can further fine tune. Right? Okay, let's write down these examples quickly. using the same example, right? Okay, search tips in Google. To search, enter only keywords. If you need to search a phrase, use inverted commas. Inverted commas, you can say Dasun Nilanjana inside inverted commas. If you need multiple words, use plus. Dasun Nilanjana ICT. If you need to exclude words, use minus. Exclude words, use minus. Exclude කියලා කියන අතෑර ගන්න ඕන. වචන අතෑර ගන්න ඕන. Exclude words, minus. This will search for phrase Dasun Nilanjana with ICT and also with grade 6, also with grade 6, excluding word singular. Please write down this. So these are the searching tips given in the book, but we are going to learn more tips than this. Searching tips, more searching tips than what's there in your book. Right, okay, this is what you have in your book. Image search is there, image search we learn. So that is images.google.com. You can go there and search images. That is easy way. But if you want, if you don't have the link to images, if you cannot remember that still, so this is given, right, when you search, let's say Sigiriya, it will give all the results. That means images.google.com, maps.google.com, video.google.com, news.google.com, everything will be given. Books.google.com, finance.google.com, everything will be given, right? So mainly we are using images.google.com, maps.google.com, videos.google.com, or video.google.com. Those are the things that we use. Okay, let's go back. Right, so more challenging things. For an example, so let's say something like this. If you know a file extension, then you can include that to search files. If you want to search files, you can include the file extensions. Example, if you need, okay, grade 6, this time you need for ICT, grade 6 plus ICT. For grade 6 ICT, you need documents. So you need file type, let's say grade 6 science, so more general. Grade 6 science, you need file type PDF. For grade 6 science, you need PDF files. So if you search like this in Google, you will get only PDF files, only PDF files, right? You can see this file is a PDF, This file is a PDF. This file is a PDF. Here you can see in front of the file, the PDF word is there. So the file is PDF. Grade 6 Science PDF. You can also add multiple extensions, right? If you need like PDF, not just PDF, if you need PowerPoint also. What is the extension for PowerPoint?
PPTX.
Yes. Multiple file types. You can include by separating with pipe mark. Pipe mark එක ගහලා separate කරන්න ඕනේ. So pipe mark means the backspace එකට යටින් තියෙන්නේ කෙලින් ඉර. This time straight line. This is called pipe mark. So that means grade 6 science, you need file type PDF or you need file type PPT, PowerPoint, old, or you need file type PowerPoint new, PPTX, PPT or PPTX, colon PDF, colon PPT, colon PPTX. Separate කරන්නේ pipe mark. Pipe mark කියන්නේ O එක. ඒ කියන්නේ PDF හෝ PPT හෝ PPTX. Okay, let's search grade 6 science PDF or PPT or PPTX. Here it is, you are getting PDF. So most are PDF, right? You are getting PDF and still PDF, yes, a lot of PDFs are there. And still PDFs. Okay, let's remove the PDF part. I just want PowerPoint, PPT or PPTX only. So then you can find PPT, PPT and PPTX versions. You can just click and download them. Those are presentations. Right? File type PPT or PPTX or videos or let's say MKV.
So PPT के तेरे मुकाबले
PowerPoint. Simply PowerPoint. Right? PowerPoint show. It's not PowerPoint show, it's PowerPoint. PPTX means PowerPoint new version. So let's say file type MKV. MKV is a movie type. So like you can merge any number of files. If you know the extension, you can add it and search. Okay. Right, so there are some questions in the chat. Benit, I know your problem, but the thing is, since I have not discussed that in Sinhala medium class, I cannot do in English medium class also. Make in web page, I'll do that next day, right? Don't worry. Okay, but if you have time, let's try. Not sure, right? If you have enough time, I'll try. Okay, please write down the. Also, if you need to search, like if you need to search in a specific site, please mute your microphone if you're not using. So if you want to search grade 6 science, file type PDF or PPTX or PPT in site, let's say inside you want to search in NIE.lk site. NIE is National Institute of Education. This will search PDF, PPT or PPTX files in National Institute of Education website. For grade 6 and science. For grade 6 and science words. if you need to search in Sri Lankan websites registered under LK domain. If you want to search Sri Lankan websites registered under LK domain, then you can use same thing, but site is LK. No need to give ni.lk, you can just give LK. Right, okay, these are some special search terms. Please write down this. Please write down this and let me know once you are done. Then once we finish, we can practically use this and do an exercise. Let me know once you are done. But those who have finished, you can try this. Search for Gmail or Yahoo Mail or Ymail addresses in an Excel file. Search for Gmail or Yahoo Mail addresses in an Excel file. Related to Sri Lankan LK domain websites. Search for Gmail and Ymail addresses in Excel file related to Sri Lankan or LK domain websites. That is task 1. Task number 2. Task number 2. I'll explain this, right? So please, if you disconnect with this video, please rejoin. Disconnect with this link. Please rejoin with the same link. So then I'm going to explain how to do this, but you can just give a try. Search for numbers starting with 071 071 070 077 076 075 074 078 search for numbers starting with in Excel files with Gmail and Ymail addresses. Anywhere in the world. Anywhere in the world. Okay. Think about the above examples and you have to write down Google search queries. Google වල search කරන්නේ කොහොමද කියලා තමයි ලියන්න ඕනේ. මේ දීලා තියෙන ඒවට. අපි බලමු කවුද ලියන්නේ කියලා. උඩ තියෙන විදියට උඩ තියෙන examples විදියට බලාගෙන මේ search කරන විදිය ලියන්නයි ඕන. උත්සාහ කරන්න බැරි වුණොත් මම කියලා දෙන්නම්. Don't worry. If you cannot do that, I'll teach you. So let's give a try. Okay, I think you have written the above note. Please write down the questions also. Right? Please write down the questions also and try to answer the questions. Now you can start. If you have done that, you can send it to the chat. So what is